Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to log out of YouTube on Android. So first things first, I will show you here the first method. In order for you to do that, you have to simply open your YouTube account. So you have to locate your YouTube account right here. Now tap on your YouTube application, click this one, and make sure that your account that you want to remove is currently logged in here to your YouTube. So you have to click your profile at the bottom right corner, and then you have to click this switch account. So you can tap on switch account right here or go to your settings and then tap on switch account. Now, once you tap switch account, then it will show you all the accounts that you have here or that you have used on your YouTube account. So what you're going to do is you just have to click the specific account or Google account that you want to use in order for you to remove that, or in order for you to not use that account that you want to remove here. If you want to fully remove your Google account or fully log out your Google account, not just on your YouTube, but on your other social media accounts, you can go to your settings, go to accounts, and then this time you have to look for Google right here. Once you tap this Google, then you will see all of the account that you have logged in, or all your Google account in this Android phone that you are using. And one of these accounts right here is what you're using on your YouTube account. So if you want to fully log out your account or fully log out your YouTube, you can also delete this specific Google account right here. So you just have to tap on remove. As you can see, it sync everything, including your YouTube. So if you want to remove this one, then just remove. It will also log out from your YouTube directly. So basically, these are the ways on how to log out of YouTube on Android. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.